You can save a lot of time and money by installing your own vent shade visors on your vehicle. Welcome back. I'm Kaye from KevinKaye.com, and on this channel I do a lot of product reviews, YouTube tutorials, and a lot of live streaming. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. It's really easy to install these vent shade visors. I'm using a 2013 Ford F-150, but the process is the same for most vehicles. The first thing we have to do is open the package and make sure that we have a left and a right for both sets of windows. So we're double checking everything in the package to make sure nothing's missing. We've got both front vent visors, both for the rear windows, as well as we've got our instructions, some alcohol prep pads that they've given us, and the clips that we're gonna need at the end. The first thing that you wanna do is make sure they're gonna fit and that you've got the right vent visors for your vehicle. So you're gonna give them a test run just by slipping them into place, and we see that ours are good. I'm gonna repeat the process for all 4 windows. Yeah, I've taken one of the alcohol pads out of the package that they've given me, and they give you one for each window. The first thing I'm going to do is just clean the area a little bit inside here as well as you can. Careful not to burn your fingers as you slide along your interior of the window. And once that's clean, you're good to go. Now I'm just going to remove the cover for the tape here so that it will stick inside the area for the window, and we're going to make sure we remove all of these. Now that we know that the area is clean and we've got our vent visor prepped, we're just going to slide it into place again and then pull closer so that the adhesive parts stick. Last thing we're going to do is take our clips. You're going to want to put one on each side, and they go into the window. They suggest using a putty knife, but a screwdriver will probably work just fine. And you're just going to use a lot of pressure and press it right into the window like so. Now that they're installed, you want to make sure that there's no obstruction to the window, that you've put the clips in far enough. You might want to push your window up slowly, like I'm doing here, just to make sure. That's how easy it is to install your own vent shade visors on your own vehicle. We've saved some time and money today doing it ourselves. So I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, I'd love it if you give it a thumbs up. Share the video with anybody you think would like to see it, and I hope I see you the next time. From KevinKaye.com.